Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm making some fried corn, Sioux style. So I use butter. So how is your day going? Mine is going pretty well. Just been watching the news and stuff and said let me get up. You want your corn buttery? You have to add the butter. All that butter in here, guys. So while my butter is melting, here's my corn. This is my corn, you guys. So I'm going to put my corn in this bowl. Put my oven down. My stove down. Okay. I ain't going nowhere, you guys. I'm coming over here. Getting my flour. So I add red bell peppers to mine. I already cut up some over here. I'm putting in a bowl. Okay. Some people, you can add any seasoning, salt, or anything, or whatever desire you like. But me personally, I don't like to add a lot of salt or seasoning because the corn is sweet, you guys. Just cutting up my bell peppers. Guys, this feel like it's like, oh, butter, you popped on me. Like it's 85 outside. I don't know. I just wanted to cook me something. Dinner? Something quick. So here's my corn with my bell peppers in here. So what you do, you guys, you add a little milk. And a pinch of flour. Here's the flour. And you add a pinch in there. That's what's going to thicken it up. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put it now in the skillet. I need my spoon. Here we go. Now be careful. Stir this up. Add some black pepper. I love black pepper. And this corn and stuff, you have to constantly stir it. So you basically got to be in the kitchen. You can't, about. So this is how it is. So you pour it slowly in here because of the milk. Shit. And add a little bit of parsley, you guys. Can you guys see that? Now you can add any seasoning, like I said, you want. Some people like that sweet and savory, but I like the sweetness of the corn. I always cook this in the summer. Even when my kids were small, I used to cook this, you guys. You can add anything you want, like bacon. They had a sweet and saltiness again. And usually I would cook cornbread, but since it's like 85 degrees, I don't want the food with no oven. I'm just gonna have me some fried corn, and I'm gonna have me some chicken wings that I'm just gonna warm up in the air fryer. So I'm gonna bring you guys close so you can see it. Okay. So remember, with this recipe, guys, you have to make sure you keep stirring. So I'm gonna put the lid on it and let it start doing what it's gonna do. And I will be back shortly. I'm gonna go wash these little dishes out and put up my butter and stuff before it start melting. So I'll be back, you guys. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I'm back. My corn on the cob. My fried corn. It's done, you guys, but I'm gonna taste it. Hot. Yes, Lord. Okay. It's ready for consumption. Okay. Here's my corn. And I'm gonna put a little bit parsley flakes on it, you guys. Again. So that's my fried corn with red bell peppers, parsley flakes. So I'm finna get me a bowl and I'm about to get started. And I thank you guys for watching.